Hello students, we are solving exercise 12.3 and we come to question 4. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, find the value of the expression. So in this question, expressions are given in two variables a and b and their values are also given, that is a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2. We have to put these values in the expression and we have to find value of the expression. Expression 1, a square b square. So here we will write, putting a is equal to 2 comma b is equal to minus 2, and therefore expression a square plus b square, that is equal to, now here keep in mind that whatever the variable is there, that's value only you have to write. So here value of variable a is 2 and value of variable b is minus 2. A square means 2 square plus b square means minus 2 square. So that is equal to 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2 plus minus 2 square means minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. 2 2s are 4 here, minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4, that is 8. 8 is our answer. Next expression, a square plus ab plus b square. So here we will write, putting a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2. And therefore expression a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a square, that is 2 square, plus a into b, that is 2 multiplied by value of b, that is minus 2, plus b square, that is value of b minus 2 square. Simplified, 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2, here plus in the bracket 2 multiplied by minus 2 and plus minus 2 square means minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, bracket close. 2 2s are 4, plus minus minus and plus minus minus, so 2 2s are 4, that is minus 4. Minus minus plus, 2 2s are 4, so it is plus 4. 4 minus 4, 0, so plus 4 is answer. Next expression, a square minus b square. So here we will write, putting value of a, that is equal to 2 and b minus 2, and therefore expression a square minus b square is equal to a square, that is 2 square minus b square minus 2 square. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2 minus 2 square means minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus, and outside the bracket minus sign is there, so minus plus minus, so here minus 4, again minus in the bracket minus minus plus, outside bracket minus, so minus plus minus, so 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. Question number 5. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1, find the value of given expressions. In this question also, expressions are of two variables a and b, and their values are given. Value of a is 0 and value of b is minus 1, and we have to put these values on the expression and we have to find value of expression. Expression number 1, 2a plus 2b. So here we will write, putting a is equal to 0 comma b is equal to minus 1, and therefore expression 2a plus 2b is equal to 2a means 2 multiplied by, that is 2 multiplied by 0, plus 2b, 2 multiplied by b is minus 1, so it is 2 multiplied by minus 1. 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0, plus minus minus, 2 ones are 2, so it is minus 2. 0 minus 2, that is answer is minus 2. Next expression, 2a square plus b square plus 1. Putting a is equal to 0, comma b is equal to minus 1. Therefore, expression 2a square plus b square plus 1 is equal to 2a square, that means 2 multiplied by a square, that is 0 square, bracket close, second term b square, value of b that is minus 1, so it is minus 1 square, and plus constant term 1. 0 square, that is 0, 0 multiplied by 2, it is 0. Minus 1 square, so plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus 1. Minus minus plus, 1 ones are 1, so it is 1, and this constant term 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 2. Next expression, 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. So here putting a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. Therefore, expression 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab, that is equal to, here we can see then that the terms are in two variables. So that way we have to put the values. 2a square b, so in the bracket we will write 2 multiplied by a square, that is 0 square multiplied by b, that is minus 1, bracket close, second term, plus in the bracket 2ab square, so 2 multiplied by a, that is 0, multiplied by b square, that is minus 1 square, bracket closed, and the last term ab means in the bracket 0 multiplied by minus 1. As we can see that in first term, in multiplication, that is 0, in second term also 0, and in third term also 0. So value of this three term is 0 plus 0 plus 0, and that is equal to 0. So value of this expression is 0. Last expression, a square plus ab plus 2. So here we will write putting a is equal to 0, comma b is equal to minus 1. Therefore, expression a square plus ab plus 2 is equal to value of a, that is 0, so a square is equal to 0 square, second term a into b, so here 0 multiplied by minus 1 and plus 2. 0 square 0, 0 multiplied by minus 1, that is also 0, and plus 2. So answer is 2.